Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PS5 disk not reading problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your PS5. If that is not working, you want to simply make sure the disk is not dirty or scratched. Clean it gently with a soft, dry cloth, and that should fix your problem. If not, you want to simply go ahead and insert the disk with the label side facing right. You will also hear a slight click when the disk is correctly inserted. The other thing you want to do is simply turn off your PS5 completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Then you want to simply go ahead and connect the controller, and then it is going to go ahead and start up in safe mode, where you want to click on rebuild database, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If not, you want to go to settings, system software, and then click on system software update and update it to the latest version. Also, you might need to check your disk drive for dust and make sure that it is clean. Finally, if that is not the case, simply try using another disk. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.